saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago.
Hi everyone, it's Valen and welcome to today's video. So today I was playing around with a new drone, and this was my first time actually flying a drone. And so I was like flying it around the beach, and I filmed the sunset, and I filmed a ton of really cool stuff. So I just wanted to show you guys everything that I filmed because I'm very proud. Like I said before, it was my first time. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get on with the video. That is the end for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching my drone footage. Let me know in the comments below if there's anything in specific that you would like to see with the drone now that I'm kind of learning how to like fly it and like get used to it. So let me know if there's anything that you guys want to see. And again, thank you for watching. Leave a big thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and click that little notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
There's nothing fake about you, baby, you